Hi friends, so today I am going to teach you about my all-time favorite poem, and hopefully you're going to like it as much as me. It's called a haiku. Say it with me, haiku. Now the haiku poem is actually it came from Japan. Okay, so it's a lot of Japanese people wrote those poems. And it's going to take some thinking on your end, not as easy as the other poems. Okay, so I can't wait to explain it. We're going to practice 2 together today. Then you'll do 2 on your own. But I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. While I'm doing that, make sure you have your table of contents. So today is the last poem that we're going to learn about. So we are going to add our 5th poem, and it's called the haiku. And a lot of times haiku poems are about seasons or nature, but perfect because we're doing animals, so that'll fit right in there. All right, so this is a poem, of course, based on syllables, and I'll explain that in a minute. So remember, syllables are those chunks in a word that we hear. So like in the poem Haiku, how many times does my jaw drop? This is how I check it. Look, haiku, 2 times, right? We can clap it. Haiku, okay? What about acrostic? So do the chin test. When we say it, every time our chin goes down, that's how we count the syllables. A, cross, tick. 3, right? Clap it. A, cross, stick. Okay. How many syllables are in apricot? See if you can figure that one out. Do either one. You can clap it out or you can do the chin. All right, let's see if you're right. Apricot. How many? 3. Apricot. Okay. So as long as you know what syllables are, it should be okay. All right. So it's based on syllables, and it's going to have 3 lines. Each line has a certain amount of syllables you have to use. Okay. So it starts with 5 syllables. Then it goes to 7 syllables. And then back to 5. Okay. So once you get the hang of it, it's really fun and it really makes you think. And sometimes you have to go back and change the words. You have to think of synonyms, some adjectives to throw in there or take out. Okay. So hopefully you have that copied. Put that in a safe place because you will be putting that in the front of your book starting next week when you put it together. All right. So I have a really nice graphic organizer for our haiku poem. So for our haiku poem, we want to make sure that we include our title, and that can just be our animal, okay? So we're gonna do my animal flamingo. So we would put in the title. And then our first line has to have 5 syllables in it. So you could put your animal in the first line. So flamingo already has how many? Flamingo. It already has 3. So I need 2 more, okay? Well, what do I know about a flamingo? It's pink. Flamingo pink. No, that's only 4. What if I put flamingo so pink? Oh, 5 right there. Okay, so it's not 5 words. It's not 5 letters. It's 5 syllables. Okay, so we would say because here in flamingo, flamingo so pink. Okay. Next one has to be 7 7 syllables. Okay, well, I'm going to think of those adjectives I use maybe in my step poem. Graceful. Graceful. In the water. Oh, that's only 6. Ooh, could I add an adjective to describe the water? What color is the water? Blue, right? All right, let's try again. Graceful in the blue water. Yes. All right. So then we write it down. Okay, so not 7 words, 7 syllables. Graceful in the blue water. And I always just check it 2 times just to make sure. Have mom and dad check yours too, okay? You might be over there doing the chin trick and everyone's thinking you're crazy, but that is the right way to do it. All right, so then our last one has 5 syllables, not 5 letters, not 5 words, 5 syllables. All right, so I thought it was so graceful because it stands on its leg, right? Maybe I could say stands on one leg. No, it's like 4. Oh, standing. Let's try that. Standing on one leg. 5. So 5 syllables, standing on one leg. Yep. All right. So that, my friends, is a haiku poem. Let's do one more together. Let's do it with the one you did earlier last week, monkey. So we start with our title. And we can always include our animal in our line. Maybe not every line, but to help us get those syllables. How many syllables are in monkey? Monkey. 2, right? All right, so we need 5 syllables. What's a monkey do? They swing, right? Monkey swings on vines. Monkey swings on vines. Yeah, that's fun. Okay, now 7 syllables. Okay, monkey swings on vines from tree to get bananas now. That's too many. From tree to get a treat. Maybe just tree to get a treat. Yeah. Tree to get a treat. Those are all just one. Tree to get a treat. Those are all 1 syllables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this time I actually did have 7 words, but not necessarily all the time. Okay. So I'm going to keep with that, but I wanted to do banana. Okay. So monkey swings on vines, tree to get a treat. Finds a yellow banana. Maybe not yellow because yellows are a big one. So he gets a banana. Gets a banana. Grabs, maybe grabs. Grabs a banana. Yeah, 5. To see how sometimes I have to think of 2, and then I switched out my words. I like grabs better. Grabs a banana. Okay, so that is a haiku poem. Do you think you're ready for the challenge? Go ahead and flip your paper over and you can just draw a line in the middle. Okay, so remember, your haiku has to have the title, and then it's going to have 3 lines. If you want to print out another one and do it like this, that's fine, or you can just use the back, okay? But you know, the first one has to have 5 what? Syllables, then 7, then 5. So it has 3 lines, 5, 7, 5. Okay. After you write that one, try to come up with another one. It still has to have 3 lines with 5, 7, and 5 syllables. It also needs to make sure that you have a title. All right, I cannot wait for you to work on these and see how creative you get with the syllables. All right, happy counting the syllables. Have fun.